everybody, and thanks for watching. My name is Kay. My channel mostly focuses on content that is fashion, beauty, and sometimes sneaker related. If that sounds like things that you're into, then please do join us. I would love to have you. So today what I'm going to be doing is unboxing a piece from the Adidas Gucci collaboration. I know I'm a little bit late, but as always, but you know, better late than never. So I just have a really small bag, I guess you could call it. This time, I'm also still debating, like, okay, first of all, let me backtrack. This collection has so many crazy pieces in it. Like, there was so much to decide from. Definitely check it out if you haven't already. I will link some of my favorite pieces. Like, I'll probably put some images, or I don't know how I'm going to do it, but I'll probably put my favorite pieces somehow into this video. But I'm still debating on getting a bucket hat, and I'm also still debating on getting a pair. of shoes. But if I do, I wanted to wait because they're gonna release one confirmed at the end of this month, and I want to get the points. So if I'm gonna buy those two pieces, then I'm gonna definitely buy them on confirmed. But I did buy this bag in here because I just had to have it. It had sold out originally the first time, and then I had to stalk it and wait for it to come back in. So I just had to have it because I didn't want to risk it being sold out. I had contacted my SA at the time also, and she told me that she couldn't get it at that time. And then by the time that I was told that I could get it, I had already ordered it myself. So I have it here, and I'm about to open it for you guys. This will be a pretty quick unboxing. I'll try to do like a what fits in the bag because this is a really small bag. I've been into tiny bags lately, and probably not a lot of things are going to fit in it, but I will try to do like a little what fits or whatever. But anyway, I'm going to stop rambling now, and I'm going to open the bag. So I'm going to flip the camera now. This is the card case, so it's super small. Here it is. It's yellow, and it has the Adidas print on it, and then it does like the whole Gucci. I don't know. I want to say this is like they call this a horse bit thing or something. I don't know what it's called, but anyway, they do this on Gucci bags a lot, and then there's the Adidas print underneath it. This is really cool. It came in two other colors, but the yellow really stuck out to me. I don't own a yellow designer bag, I don't think. And then there's like not a lot of cute, well, in my opinion, a lot of yellow bags that are cute. So I just took my opportunity to get a yellow bag at this time. I was debating between this and another car wallet. It's bigger. That one I think was like $1,200 or something like that. I was debating on getting that. It's really cute, but I feel like I have a lot of designer bags in that same color scheme. So this one did it for me because it's just unique to anything that I already have in my collection. I think this was like $980, and I will link to it below for anybody who's interested. If it says that it's out of stock, you can either find it in store and go pick it up in the store, or call and ask to do a charge send. Or you could also just kind of like put in notifications and stalk the website, and it'll be coming back in stock. I'm not sure if this bag will be available on confirm, but like I said, on July 28th, on confirm, this collection will be available, but I feel like a lot of it is still available currently now. So definitely check that out. But here's the bag. It is a card case. Really, really super long straps. The leather is very, very good quality as expected. Let's see. So we open it in the inside, and this is a card case. So it's basically a wallet on a this is not really a chain, but I guess a wallet on a strap. So let's take out this paper. So basically you can fit some cards right here. And the inside is a very, very small compartment, so not very much. I will try to put a few things that I probably would carry if I'm carrying a bag like this. Definitely not a lot would fit. I would take my hand sanitizer and just kind of like clip it on the outside. So I'm going to do that first. If it fits inside my bag, I put it inside. If not, clip it on the outside. So I'll probably clip it like that. And then this is my card case, but in this case, I would just take the cards out. So I'm gonna just say use your imagination on that, because I'm not about to play with y'all my card numbers. You know, you could probably stick some cash in here if you wanted to. There's a little space back here, so I probably will put the cash back there. Let me just do that. I'm not just put this little $5 back there. Okay, so we do that, and then I would probably put a lip gloss in here if it fits. I probably will have to use a smaller lip gloss. Yeah, so this Chanel lip gloss doesn't fit, but I will use a smaller lip gloss and fit that in there. This is a perfume, like a perfume. My neighbor bought me this for Christmas. It smells so good, y'all. As you can see, probably see I used a lot of it. I would probably put that in here. And I like to carry my AirPods with me, but in this case, I don't think that it will fit in this bag. Let's see. Yeah, no, it's not gonna fit. And I also have lotion and a phone right here, but I don't think any of this stuff is gonna fit. So basically, you can probably just fit your keys if they're small, a lip gloss, a small lip gloss, your key. I already said that. A little bit of money. You can fit your cards in here, and that's pretty much it. So this is definitely a bag that you carry if you just need to have like lip gloss, cash, and keys, because that's pretty much all you're gonna fit in here. But like I said, I'm a fan of small bags. I like to carry these little tiny bags, so I don't really mind. And yeah, in the coming months, well, not in the coming months, like in the coming weeks, you guys, I plan on doing like a bag organization. I'm gonna do like a closet organization series because my closet is a mess. So I'm gonna be organizing my bag collection. So yeah, that's just something to look out for, you guys. But anyway, before I go, I'm just gonna say a quick few words about the packaging, and then I will let you guys go. I do hope that I showed you guys this bag good, and that I wasn't just rambling. Showed you all the features that I need to talk about. The strap is adjustable, which is cool, so you can kind of adjust it based on like if you're trying to wear it on your shoulder, you want to wear it crossbody, and according to your height, because sometimes they design bags that are not adjustable and it's supposed to be like one size fits all, but you know that doesn't always work because some people are taller than others, and sometimes it makes the bag hit in a really awkward place if you're a little bit on the taller side. So I do like that this bag allows for you to adjust it for your own preferences. And this is where it loops through right here. And there are like 3 or 4 card slots right here. So you can fit a good number of cards in here. And then there are 2 more right here. So you can take a lot of cards with you in this bag. This space, like I said, is very small. So pack light. And back here, there's a little compartment. And back here is another compartment, which is where your money is really supposed to go. So silly me for putting it in that other little space. But anyway, you're supposed to put your cash right here and then you fold it. It's not going to fit anything else right there, because if you put anything else inside of here, it's not going to close. I learned that when I was doing my unboxing for my the Balenciaga and Gucci collaboration. I also have a card case from that collection. And yeah, I was trying to put stuff in here, but of course it won't fold. But that's also common sense. I don't know what was making me do that. But anyway, here's the bag. It says Gucci right here in little gold lettering. You probably can't see it. It has a snap closure. Also says Gucci. There aren't really like many zipper compartments or anything like that. The leather is kind of pebbled, which is cool. It has a nice little cool texture to it. And here's the back, and that is it for this bag. I will say that the packaging is absolutely adorable. They gave me this little dust bag in here, this little one, which I appreciate, but then it also came inside of this, which is really, really unique to any other. I've never had a dust bag from Gucci like this colorful or fun. So I really like this. I did not get a bag this time, like the shopping bag, because I didn't get this one in store. So I'm kind of debating, like, even if I do order some more pieces, maybe getting one on confirmed and maybe trying to get another one from like inside the Gucci store so that I can get a packaging, just like one of the shopping bags, because I do like to have those. And this was really warm my heart, the box. So it has a handle so you can carry it like a little shopping bag. That is so fun. But this is a storage box. And then you open it and it has this print inside, which is really, really cool. So I'm definitely, well, I keep all my boxes for the most part. But definitely keeping this box. This box will even be fun to like put on display when I display my bags. But we'll see how I'm going to organize that because I'm still not 100% sure. But anyway, let me stop rambling, guys. Thanks for watching. If you're new here, then please do join us. I would love to have you. Until next time, guys. Bye.